everyone, my name is Kian Bhargav. I study in J1Z class, Sanskriti the school. I am making healthy macarons. For this recipe,
we will use chocolate shavings, honey,
and milk, and peanuts, and coconut powder,
cocoa powder and almond powder.
First, we will put baking paper and baking tray. Here is a baking tray. Now we take 1 cup of coconut powder. In 1 cup coconut powder, I will mix
1 teaspoon
cocoa powder
and 1 tablespoon almond powder.
Now mix it well. Next we will add half cup of milk and honey spoon.
3.5 tablespoon honey.
After honey, we add pinch of salt.
Inside. Good. Now mix it well.
Now we mix it well.
Is it smelling good?
Yes. For nice flavor, we could add vanilla flavor in this.
1/4 vanilla syrup. 1/4 teaspoon. Okay.
1/4 teaspoon. And we mix it. We add 1 tablespoon chocolate shavings.
Yes, dark chocolate shavings.
Dark chocolate shavings.
Yes. That's it. It's 1 tablespoon.
Mix it well. Now we will scoop small balls.
And place on the baking sheet.
Yes. And place on the baking sheet.
Good. More balls.
Now our balls are ready. We put peanuts on it for decoration.
And crispy flavor. Yes. Put like this. Yes.
Now Mama will bake it
At 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes.
Now my healthy macarons are ready. I pour chocolate on it.